Ha ka South Tarik Naiwing Arajar Paulai Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat Ki Sangma Ulaong Baka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kala sedang ban Hikai yaki MLA Khasi ban Sngewthuh ya ka Ktien Garo bat kumju yaki MLA Garo ban Sngewthuh ya ka Ktien Khasi Ulaong ya kani habakran ha ka Babu Hajam Kisor Singh Memorial Lecture kabala penlong ka Unitarian Union North Eastern India ban rakhe ya ka lengkhu sngiyap bashispa Jong Ubabu Hajam Kisor Singh ha usosa tham auditorium Shillong ulaong ru baka sarkar kalayai budden bat ka sarkar India ban ithu no ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ka kharnet ka bapra ka riti sanshar kari menteri rangba ulaong ru baka sarkar kan ai ka jingkershan pisai ki bawat banyak ki ba kentiu ki Ktien lajong kum ki nong thokot ki nong rwai ban penne bat kentiu ya ka riti dustur bat ya ka Ktien
programs that are there. You know, as youth, we have a very nice program called Yes Meghalaya, where more than 3,000 of our youths groups are today being supported there, and the beliefs that he had and the kind of initiatives that were taken way before his time. In fact, if you look at the different points that were mentioned, I was surprised to learn about the skills aspect, as was mentioned by Professor Lamare, that of wanting Khasi language and Garo language to be put in the 8th schedule is a issue that we have taken up at a different level now, where a resolution has been passed by the Assembly, which was not done in the earlier times, and continuously more than 4 to 5 memorandums have been submitted to the central government, and I want to give you that assurance that we will continue to push and ensure that we don't leave any stone unturned in terms of ensuring that our languages are also put in the 8th schedule. But while that is going on, I think what is important is for us to be able to also look at what we can do as a society, what we can do as educationists, what we can do as academicians and as a government in terms of promoting our own culture and our own language. And this is something that I have said in many